Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making banana and aloe vera hair masks for frizzy and dry hair. So guys, our first ingredient is aloe vera. I have already washed and soaked my aloe vera overnight. I just need to scrub the gel out. As you all know that aloe vera is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps to smoothie and nourish the scalp. Aloe vera is a great natural conditioner that can penetrate into the hair and scalp to hydrate, stand and moisturize the scalp. Aloe vera has an antibacterial and antimicrobial property, also make it a gentle cleanser that effectively removes grease without stripping natural oil. Aloe vera treats dandruff and itchy scalp, reduce hair fall and stretchy roots, stimulates hair growth, eliminates microbial infection. Aloe vera is a great source of natural ingredients that can promote hair growth. So guys, if you have never incorporated aloe vera in your hair remedy, please start incorporate aloe vera to your hair right now. This is the aloe vera gel. We are going to blend this with banana. I will be making use of 3 bananas because I don't want it to be too thick. Then blend it together. Banana are rich in essential vitamins, minerals and natural oils that nourish hair follicles, promote scalp health and stimulate hair growth. Banana is also known for its moisturizing property. Banana is also good for hair growth. It got all the right nutrients that your hair loves. Banana is packed with potassium, silica, magnesium, antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, natural oils, as well as protein. So if you are suffering from dry hair, dry scalp, please start incorporating banana into your hair. Go for a banana hair mask or just use it pops on your streaks and see the difference. So I'm going to blend it very smooth. So after blending it, I will be using a cloth. You can use a wig cap, a strainer, a socks, a cheesecloth, but just a cloth that has a tiny hose to strain it out, because we don't want any residue on our hair. So this is it after blending it. I will be adding my hair growth oil. The video is already up on my channel. Please go and watch it. Thank you. I will just mix the oil and the protein and the aloe vera and banana protein hair mask rather. I have already washed my hair. this treatment must be applied on a clean ear, and my ear is already session, so I'm going to apply it on my ear one after the other. This ear mask is very good for ear, and it also penetrates on my ear and also bring coils on my, like, I've never ever applied ear treatment on my ear and bring back my coil. I never knew my ear can also coil like this and shine. Even though after I wash it, my ear feels so soft, like it feels very soft. I want you to try this treatment and see the difference on your ear. So guys, I'm going to apply it on my ear off camera. Sorry I didn't show you the full video. I actually thought it was recorded, but it wasn't recorded. So after I apply this on my ear, I cover it with a nylon bag and leave it for about 30 to 40 minutes. So after 30 to 40 minutes, I wash it, I do the normal condition and moisturize my ear. If you watch this video to this part, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also comment. Please comment what type of video, like which type of video do you want me to make. Please comment, like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, help your girl, please. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.